Polymer clay offers a great opportunity to add color and distinction to your jewelry designs. Polymer opens up a new world of possibilities and is versatile, lightweight, and beautiful. In this tool demo, you will learn special techniques for using this beautiful and vivid medium. The first thing that you need to do when working with Polymer is to condition your clay. Conditioning your clay makes working and designing much easier. After opening my packages, I'll start by cutting my 2-ounce block of clay in half with a tissue blade. A tissue blade is great when working with Polymer clay and for cutting, shaving, chopping, and shaping. Next, I'll begin to condition the clay using a clay rolling machine. Cool Tools offers several types of clay rolling machines. This model features an optional motor which allows you to feed your Polymer clay quickly and easily through the machine with both hands. It also features an adjustable roller. I set the roller to the largest thickness and turn the motor on. Begin feeding your block of Polymer clay through the roller and catch it underneath. I fold the clay in half and repeat this process several times until the clay becomes more pliable. Once this color is conditioned, I repeat the entire process for all the other colors. Clay rolling machines are great tools for conditioning, blending, layering, and making slabs. Now that the clay is conditioned, it's time to start creating. The first technique we demonstrate is the Skinner blend. Skinner blends are great ways to incorporate multiple colors in intricate and unique ways. Start by folding 2 colors of Polymer clay and trim them into equal and uniform triangles. Next, combine the 2 triangles together by pressing the long sides together, creating a Polymer clay square. Stagger the 2 triangles slightly to allow solid colors on each end. When the 2 sides are joined together, begin feeding through your machine. Feeding the clay properly through the clay rolling machine is very important. Be sure to start feeding your triangles through the rollers with the solid colored ends upright as seen here. Be sure to catch your slab and begin to fold the bottom to the top. In order to create a proper Skinner blend, you will need to feed your slab through the machine as many as 20 times. Be sure to always fold your slab in the same manner and feed the folded edges first. This ensures no air bubbles or imperfections become an issue in your Skinner blend. It also allows uniform and even blending for both colors. Do not be alarmed if halfway through your Skinner blend is not looking perfect. You will need to feed it through at least 20 times for the perfect blend to take effect. As you feed your clay through the machine, your slab may become too wide. Simply press and push your slab inward to reduce the width of the slab. The Skinner blend is completed when both colors fade into themselves, forming an even, smooth gradient. Now that you have a Skinner blend, you can use it for a variety of things. First, we'll create a kaleidoscope cane. Start by combining your Skinner blend with a solid colored slab. You can use any color you wish. Trim the edges to make a long, narrow strip. From here, roll both ends of the slab. Now, you can fold, roll, and wrap in any manner you desire. Kaleidoscope canes allow you to experiment and make custom and unique designs. No matter which way the clay is folded, combined, or wrapped, the end result is always stunning. Roll the clay out with your hands on your work surface to create a large Polymer clay cane. Trim close to both ends with your tissue blade to create a clean, flush end. Next, cut your cane in half and line them both up. For the best look, I like to align the colors in my cane to create a seamless, detailed pattern. Again, roll the two canes together on your work surface and trim both ends. I cut the cane in half again and align my designs. Lastly, I roll the canes together. It can be made into a square, triangle, or circle at this point, depending on your preference. If your project requires a smaller image, continue to roll the cane outward until the proper size is achieved. Now, you can cut the cane to reveal the kaleidoscope pattern. For best results, allow your cane to rest so colors do not blend while cutting. Another beautiful look you can achieve with a Skinner blend is a bullseye cane. To make a bullseye, simply roll your Skinner blend on itself as seen here. When completed, trim the end to reveal your radiating circular pattern. Working with polymer clay will produce a certain amount of scrap due to trimming and cutoffs. This scrap can be combined and manipulated to create a beautiful and interesting piece. To start, simply chop your scrap into several small pieces using your tissue blade. Lump the pieces together and roll the clay into a long cane. At this point, you can twist your cane in opposite directions to make an interesting striped rod. Scrap clay can also be chopped and used as bead center. You can also feed your cane through your clay rolling machine for another unique look. The possibilities are endless. You can also achieve a colorful and detailed pattern using a texture. Here, I've used a Cool Tools texture to impress in the polymer clay. To achieve these designs, first start with 2 layers of polymer clay. Place the clay on a rollable texture tile and using a non-stick ultimate clay roller, begin rolling your clay into the texture. Remove the clay and place on your work surface. Using a tissue blade, begin shaving the top of your slab. You'll want to make sure you do not shave too deep and ruin your design. As you can see, shaving the red polymer reveals the highlights of the black texture. Any colors or textures can be used in this process. When finished, you can use it any way you wish, including cutting out shapes to combine with metal clay, other polymer clays, and more. Visit our Learning Center at www.cooltools.us for more cool jewelry making videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and be sure to sign up for our email list to be the first to hear about new videos, new products, contests, and other cool stuff from Cool Tools.